Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to stream games on Twitch. So if you want to stream on Twitch playing video games, it's very easy. There are certain things you need to have. OBS Studio or OBS Streamlabs is one because you need a streaming software, and you also need to have an account on OBS on Twitch. So you need to have a Twitch account so that you can stream, right? So to do this, go to OBS, right? So you pretty much have everything you have here under scene. So you need to have an audio input capture, which is for your mic. You need to have a display capture, which is pretty much capturing the screen that you have. So as you can see here, you're seeing OBS because OBS is, well, on the screen right now. And it's highly, strongly advisable that you have a second monitor if you want to stream. Or not, you could use your mobile phone as like a chat thing, you know, to see your chat. But it is highly advisable to have a second monitor, because I could just do this, because you won't see my second monitor. If I go here, you know, you'll see this, right? But I'm just gonna put it here, right, most of the time. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you how to set things up. So on the lower right corner of the screen, click on settings, and in settings, this is first general. You need to click stream, and here you're gonna see service. If you click service, you're gonna have a drop down page where you're gonna see different places where you can stream: Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, you stream Twitter, so on and so forth. So we are on Twitch, and as you can see, it says disconnect account because I have an account connected. So that's where a Twitch account comes into play, because if you have a Twitch account, now you can just connect an account here. So if you connect an account here and you use your Twitch, it's going to be connected. You don't need a stream key anymore for Twitch. So once that's done, that's pretty much it. You need to have an audio input. Again, you need to have your mic. As you can see here, it is registering my voice. So go to Twitch, click on your profile icon here on the upper right corner, and then go to creator dashboard. Here you can just click stream manager, and on stream manager you can just, you know, click on this and choose place the title, whatever, click done, and then all you need to do is click start streaming here. Once you click start streaming here, like what we do, let's do this, and then let's see. You're going to start streaming here. It's going to show that you've started streaming, and as you can see, we are live on Twitch. And if you put this is what it's going to see. So for example, we have League here, right? We have League of Legends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.